Let's be real, Apple designs are sleek, but it's also a little boring. Every white plastic case looks exactly same until you drop it on pavement or lose it in the depth of your bag. But what if your tech felt like a little gadget and more like a personality trait? Welcome to a world of crochet tech couture. Today I am walking you through a creative lookbook of high-demand crochet AirPod cover design that are absolutely exploding on Etsy and Shopify right now. Whether you are a maker looking for your next bestseller or just here for the eye candy, stay tuned because by the end of this video, you are going to see exactly how a $5 ball of a yarn can turn into a $40 premium accessory. First up, let's talk about the cute factor Royo. If it has tiny eyes and smiles, it sells. We are seeing a massive surge in micro foodie or designs. Think tiny avocados where the pit is opening. Or my personal favorite, the dim sum case. Why does these works for your online shop? Because it's Instagrammable. People don't just buy these to protect their reports. They buy them to take a photo of their coffee next to a tiny crochet strawberry. If you are listing these on Shopify, bundle them, sell a fruit salad pack of 3 patrons or finished product. The perceived value skyrockets when you create a collection. Next, we are learning into the nostalgic. The kit core aesthetic is a goldmine. We are talking about the primary color design that feel like 90s childhood dream. The froggy hat with a design is currently the undisputed king of Etsy. It's whimsical, it's weird, and it appeals to Gen Z's love for the ugly cute aesthetic. Notice the texture here. Using velvet yarn or chenille gives these a plush, high-end feel that looks way more expensive